Hello and welcome to Cruise Addicted. This is Emma, and today I'm going to be showing you all around this beautiful BB grade balcony cabin on board Cunard's Queen Anne. So this is on deck 8, cabin 8056, and it's quite a midship balcony cabin. Found it very comfortable, everything was there that we needed: hairdryer, tea and coffee making facilities, and the most gorgeous bathrobes. So we were on board for 4 nights. We did the Christmas market cruise to Rotterdam, and we had a really lovely time actually. So let me show you around the cabin. There are C-type charger sockets either side of the bed, so if you have an iPhone, but there's also a USB port as well. And as I said earlier, these bathrobes are fantastic, and you've got the little disposable slippers at the bottom as well. So there's a safe for your valuables. There's always going to be the leaflet about the laundry. The storage isn't overly generous. The little compartments are quite narrow. There were a lot of hangers, and some of the sections were with an upper and a lower rail, so you could hang your shirts and your t-shirts and jumpers, dresses and suits. It was quite a narrow space, but it was adequate for what we needed. There were drawers as well. So this cabin does have British plug sockets, European plug sockets, American plug sockets, USB and C-type charging ports, so you can charge all your gadgets, whether you've got a power bank that you can add a few extras into as well. There's the hairdryer and also tea and coffee making facilities that get stocked daily. There's also a bottle opener if you have a beer from the minibar. So nice products in the bathroom for shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and nice hand soap as well. So I hope you enjoyed this look around cabin number 8056, deck 8 midship. This is a BB grade, and the grade above this you become into the club dining restaurant. So this is as high as you can go for the Britannia dining room at this time. So here's the balcony, 2 seats, little table. There's quite an overhang here, so it may affect sun during the day, but it was adequate for what we needed. Lovely bit of fresh air, which was what we like in the cabin. This has been Emma for Cruise Addicted. If you'd like to follow along our journeys, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cruise Addicted. So bon voyage and bye for now.